This channel exploded to nearly 195,000 subscribers from just 31 videos, racking up millions of views using nothing but clever storytelling and stick figure animations. That's right, stick figure animations. The same doodles you used to draw in class? They're now building full-blown YouTube empires. Here's another one using the exact same strategy. They've already hit 100,000 subscribers. And this one, he's pulled in 27,000 with just 5 videos. These channels are generating thousands of dollars every month, and barely anyone is talking about it. In this tutorial, you're not just going to learn what these viral channels are doing, you'll learn exactly how they're doing it, step by step, no experience needed. Here's an example of what we'll create in this tutorial using Canva's free plan.
Imagine you're standing at a hospital bedside, holding the hand of someone you love. Machines beep in the background. You're begging for more time, for one more conversation, but deep down, you know it's too late. In that moment, nothing else matters. Not money, not status, not success, just the time you can no longer buy.
This is the kind of storytelling that doesn't just entertain, it awakens. It triggers urgency, reflection, and emotional connection. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional writer to create this level of depth. I'll walk you through this example in the self-improvement niche, complete with voiceover, animations, and the psychological hooks used by the pros. And by the end, you'll know how to replicate this entire process from script to final cut completely for free. Whether you're into motivation, finance, self-improvement, education, or even quirky niche content, this method adapts to your creativity. Step 1. Head over to ChatGPT and use this prompt to generate a script that doesn't just motivate, but moves people. You'll find the exact prompt in this video's description. Let ChatGPT work its magic. In seconds, you'll have a fully structured, emotionally charged script that feels like it came straight out of a documentary. Now that you've got a script that hooks hearts and minds, let's make it speak, literally. Copy the first paragraph and paste it into 11 Labs, an AI voice generator that transforms your words into professional-grade narration. Choose from a variety of ultra-realistic voices, male or female. Click Generate, and just like that, you'll have a voiceover that sounds like it was recorded in a high-end studio.
Imagine you're standing at a hospital bedside, holding the hand of someone you love. Machines beep in the background. You're begging for more time, for one more conversation. But
now that your voiceover hits like a wave of reality, it's time to bring those words to life with visuals. This is where the emotional power of your story gets translated into images that make viewers feel every second of what they hear. And the best part? You'll do it all using Canva. Here's how. Open Canva, click on the video section, and select the horizontal format. This layout performs best on YouTube. Once your editor loads, head to the Uploads tab on the left and upload the voiceover file you created in 11 Labs. Drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This becomes the emotional spine of your video. In the Elements tab, search for background paper. Make sure you're in the photo section. Pick a clean paper texture you like, then drag it onto your canvas and resize it to fill the whole screen. All right, let's build your first scene. It starts like this.
Imagine you're standing at a hospital bedside.
Add an intro text overlay, click text, then add a heading and type the first word, imagine. After that, click animate and pick a subtle effect like typewriter. Little touches like this make your video feel more cinematic right from the start. Now for the next part of your audio, go back to the Elements tab and search for stick figure. For the best ones, click the 3 dots and select View More by Zdenek Sasek. His stick figure animations are super popular on viral YouTube channels because they're simple, relatable, and full of emotion. Use the search bar to find animations that match what's being said in your voiceover. Try to sync each moment with a specific animation. Adjust the timing so that the visuals line up perfectly with the narration. The goal is to reflect the emotion of what's being said with clean, focused visuals. Keep it simple. Let the animations support the message without distracting from it. Once you've added visuals for the full voiceover, hit play and watch it through like a viewer.
Imagine you're standing at a hospital bedside, holding the hand of someone you love. Machines beep in the background. You're begging for more time, for one more conversation.
Does the timing feel right? Do any parts feel too fast or too empty? Make adjustments as needed. And that's it. You've just built a powerful, emotional scene using nothing but Canva and AI tools. You can download it like normal, and don't worry about the Canva watermark. It won't appear on these stick figure assets. It's just like using Canva Pro. By now, you've got the voice. You've got the visuals. But what really makes your audience feel the tension, the heartache, the transformation are the little touches we're about to add in CapCut. So go ahead and open CapCut, then import the video you just made in Canva. Drag it into the timeline. Once it's loaded, click on the audio tab at the top. In the search bar, type something like motivational background music. Pick a track that plays softly under your voiceover, something that sets the mood without overpowering your narration. As the story unfolds, start layering in sound effects that match the moment. For example, under the sound effects section, try searching for something like hospital beeping if your scene involves a hospital moment. Add that gently beneath the voiceover to build atmosphere. You can also add subtle stickers or overlays to enhance the visuals and make your message hit even harder. Once it all feels right, hit export. That's it. Your video is now fully edited, emotionally charged, and ready for YouTube. Now upload it, give it a strong thumbnail and title, something like "You'll wish you watched this sooner," and boom, you're ready to start growing your channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe. I'm about to reveal a bunch of viral niches in the next few days, and you won't want to miss them.